This is going to be a quick video. We are going to talk about how to install the ink cartridges on an HP printer. This is the DeskJet 2755E, a fairly inexpensive wireless printer, and I am setting it up for one of my clients here, and I'm going to show you how I do this. So here is the printer. I've got this plugged in, but what I'm going to do now is just to unplug it to make sure that all of the power is turned off, and to get the ink out, I'm going to come down here. We'll open that tray and open the inside tray. Now, if you see these over here to the left, all you're going to do is just to slide them to the middle, and now we're ready to add the ink. The ink we're using is right over here, HP 67. You just want to make sure to check with your printer to make sure that you have the right model. So this is the ink cartridge. I've got a color one and a black one. I believe the black one goes in the left-hand side. Now, when I tried to put these in the first time, I kind of put it in like that, thinking that that's how it goes in, and you'll notice how loose that is and how they fall out. So believe it or not, the correct way to install this is to set this down just like this. This part, the electronic part, should be on the inside. We're just going to take this, slide it in. You're just going to put a little bit of pressure on this, and we should hear a pop. There we go. So now we know that that side is now set up. Now let's do the same thing. This is the tri-color cartridge. I'm going to take this side that has the electronics. I'm just going to set this down. We're just going to slide this in. Again, you're just going to push a little bit. This is for the pop. There we go. There is the pop. This should be all set. The next step is just to close that and to close our tray. And I think our printer should be ready to go. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. So that's it. My ink should be set up. I think I am now good to go and set this up so my clients can have wireless printing.